So what you're gonna do, you click on activate. It throw in this basic settings, say you must provide a valid privacy policy. So what do? You say okay. In the basic settings, you click on, let me see, it should have basic settings. Okay, they need a privacy policy here. So what do you get here? So what you do, you write a privacy policy on your internet, or on your on your website. So I'm gonna go to one of my website and say okay, okay, I'm on that website. Then I'm going to say / private policy, and okay, I'll activate that. So but it says page not found. I have to go somewhere to activate this. I'm gonna do that too, because the website was switched off anyway. So let me do that quickly, then we proceed. I'm gonna do that for you, and I put in a private policy. I'm gonna say see, getting that right, guys. Okay, so you need to have a private policy. You have to fill in all these documents to make that active. All this, please fill in all this, domain, app, whatever, all that you should put it in. So I'm gonna get something here. I can even use one of my websites. Instead of using that, I'm gonna use one of my websites, because that's gonna take us a lot of time and people won't be patient with me. So other things I'll fix them after. Domain, I might use this, and policy, I should find a policy here, down here below. Should have a policy, something like that, contact, whatever, policies and rules. Okay, let me get this. Single page, home, everything's messed up here. I'm gonna get here, and I can put this here. Let me put that and say policy. Okay, it's okay. I'll put that, and in the URL I'm gonna put that HTTPS. If you don't have SSL, please try to see your SSL if it's working. App domains, they don't allow anything which is terms domain. Okay, gonna be okay. That's all. Let's see which we save. If we save, it's gonna allow it. Okay, you can see this submit invalid policy. Okay, it's fine. Okay, that's fine. So what we're gonna do, we have to, this one has to go out now. Let me try to save. You see this URL is there, but the policy is they reject it, so I'm gonna use home because there's that page called home on the website. Okay, then save. Should accept it. Okay, you can see now it did accept this. This was accepted, that's why it went like that. So now let's try to activate. You say whatever policy URL. Okay, you must provide a valid privacy policy URL in order to. Okay, that's fine. I can still go to and create the policy what they want. One of the old websites, it had that. This is why we're gonna get into trouble, but anyway, let me try my best so that I get it. This is the website which had everything, so I'm gonna go there and try to do that. So we need to fill up this. They can see that this is not a real privacy policy, you can see. So okay, I've got another. Let me try something. Okay. Oh, okay. I can't create that because if I don't create that, it's gonna be bad. This is one of the websites which were rejected by Facebook, that one. So I'm gonna create one now. Okay, let me see. Okay, it's not difficult to create a word, especially in WordPress. I'm trying to create it. I'm trying to log in here. Okay. It's gonna be developer. It's another website I have. I'm gonna use that and see if it's gonna work. Okay, let me use this and I see if it's gonna work. If it works, then we're fine. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's allowed, but now let's see. Terms of whatever URL, private policy URL. We're gonna say save. Okay, once we're done with that, let's see if you switch it on. Okay guys, look, do that. sometimes it takes time to do what, to look. It says still using Java's Gmail, visit your developer settings to update your email. Okay, let's see that. Okay, takes us into that. They want us to update our email. Edit. Okay, on that and that we gonna use the same email here. Okay, still we're using the same email, no stress. Okay, 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 okay. Simple. When you're done, sometimes it gives you some problems on updating, but make sure you're done, you leave it like that. So when we go to these apps, we don't get any. Let's go, like, let's do like this, because we did everything right. So let's go, say developers, developer web. You can see, once you don't see that, there's a message you're gonna see. We saw in the beginning. If you don't see it, just know that you can now paste into, you can share onto your Facebook. You click here, you click on that app. If it doesn't give you that red thing which it gave us yesterday, then just go and start posting. You can see it doesn't give us that. Do you understand? So you can wait, you can go and post. I'm gonna go post. I'm gonna even share this same video again on Facebook. No, yeah, and I say share, and I share on Facebook. Before, I could not do that. I guess you who watched that video, you can witness that. Then I share. Look, it's done. But before, it was not giving me that chance. So if you go to the Facebook wall, you can see that Facebook, and should go to the wall here. You can see on the wall the thing is posted. Okay guys, there are those I know who don't have any apps on Facebook. It's gonna give you, you see, this is what the message we could get, but it's fine now. Even if we refresh, we cannot get that message anymore. Okay, okay, you can see that message is not there anymore, so which is good. So, and that is caused when you take longer to use your Facebook. So your Facebook pages and stuff. Guys, those who don't have apps, if you saw what I did, you have to create one app like this. You get me? So once you create that, don't think it's gonna work in just a few hours. It could take 24 hours. Sorry, even the steps I've done, it can take 24 hours to update Facebook, to update and start doing stuff. So this is what I did, so people could not understand that this thing doesn't work instantly. So now I've done another video whereby I can share my my Facebook, my videos from YouTube to Facebook, and there's no stress on that. I'm gonna also link the video, the previous video, in the description below, so that you know what happens. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope this helps. If you did not understand, try to watch those two videos and see what's going on. So, but if it doesn't work, it won't work in the same day. It could work after 1 day or after 24 hours, because myself, I did that yesterday. It did not work until now when they updated everything. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.